chart clean. All right, sometimes it's easier, get away from all the noise, right? Start getting too many lines and price targets and everything in there, and it starts getting confusing after a while. Sometimes you're better off just to start with a clean chart. Let's see what this one looked like over here. Yeah, this one wasn't bad. We had a target here last time. We've come right up to it too. 47. Oh yeah, we hit that. 47.15. That's what we had on here last time, and we just hit it. Went to the yesterday. Yesterday came up and poked it. You can see it just touched this 618 up here at 48.88. It looks like. Look at that. This wick right here. Right. So we did have a hit on our target there that we were looking for. Right up to it. Right on the dot. All right. Let's get back over to this other chart over here. Okay, here we go. Excuse me. Now, it's about to get fun, guys. No question about it, right? We got Bitcoin dominance crashing, rolling right over. Might as well show you that real quick, right? I mean, since we're talking about it, might as well get that over with. And then we'll get back over to that chart. Barcoin, that's another one looking pretty decent. Everything is looking really good out there. I mean, we got an alt season, everything runs, okay? Everything runs at different times, but everything runs. Look at that red candle. Look at this dominance rolling right over. And that is what we want to see, okay? And eventually want to see this yellow line break down here. We come out on a weekly. Yeah, look at this. Never made it out of our box up there that we put there too. That worked out perfectly. All right, once it breaks this yellow line right here, that's when the party's really going to get going. Okay, just like over here, this was the support line, this white line coming up here. It broke it, kind of messed around in there for a few weeks before it really took a dive. All right, but we'll see what happens when we break it this time. This one here has been running up for quite a while, almost 3 years. Okay, each one of these candles are 1 week. If you go on a monthly, all right, there you go. I mean, look at that. Look at all these candles. Each one of them are 1 month. And look at that dominance. Just dropping right down. That's the biggest drop we have seen in a very long time. All right, so looking very, very good. Got up to the 786 and got rejected. All right, honestly, I was looking for the 618 originally, which would have been right in this area here. All right, and ended up running up close to that 786 and got rejected and rolled over. So this is what we want. This is when it's going to get exciting, guys. All right, so check out that level 3 membership in the description of the video. We have 170 some members over there in Discord. We got some great trades over there every single day, and when altcoin season kicks in, that's when you want. You can't keep an eye on all these charts. It's impossible. All right, so over there, people are constantly posting charts. Come over and join us. I'm telling you, if you can't make $15 over there, then can it. But not financial advice, none of this is financial advice. But during an altcoin season, you should. It doesn't matter how bad it gets for you. You should do pretty well during an altcoin season. All right, now we put a fib on Popcat here. And you can see we hit that 618 right on the head there. Okay, so if we look at the daily RSI, getting near the top, looking like a correction's coming. Right, we hit the 618. Probably maybe an ABC coming in here. The weekly looks fantastic. That looks really good. What it's looking like, to me, quite honestly. Let's see here. All right. I love my Elliott waves. I love them, love them, love them. Market moves in waves of 5. It's backed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got your 5 waves down, which marked the bottom. I remember us doing that, and this looks like it's starting. It's run back up. Okay, maybe a 1, 2, working on a 3, 4. You're gonna have a retracement on this thing. You would expect it to at least get back up to a 618, 702, if not higher, right? So a 618 and a 702 puts you in the area. Oh, and I got an awesome chart to show you. Hang in there a second. Don't leave me yet, guys. Please. Pretty awesome chart, right? Right up in this area here, which is about $1.33 to $1.50. Okay, right now we're down about 46 cents. And if it gets through there, not saying it's going up here, but if it gets through this area, you could possibly be looking up over around $3. But on the weekly, you can definitely see a wave count starting, right? I mean, for sure. Maybe an ABC coming in, a temporary pullback, and then the next push up. But over here, the Altcoin Season Index, 89 out of the top 100 tokens the last 90 days are in the green. That's huge, okay? Altcoin Season Index is at a 51, all right? Fear and Greed Index is at a 70, which is in the greed, okay? But check this out down here. Top 100 coins performance over 90 days, all right? When you have 75% or 75% of the tokens outperform Bitcoin, then you're in altcoin season. And we're close. Here's Bitcoin, 28%. All right, so it's right in that area. Then you have these coins after it, which is what, 30, 40 coins maybe. And then you have 11 that have been red. So 89 out of the top 100 have been in the green the last 90 days. And these are the ones down here that are probably really going to start moving at the beginning of alt season. These ones up top here have already, and I'm sure they'll do a lot more. 85%, that's nothing. You can see that in a week in an altcoin season. That's over 90 days. Yeah, definitely. You'll see 50% moves in a day. I mean, it gets absolutely insane. I love it. I cannot wait. It's the most exciting time for an altcoin holder, for sure. There's the Fear and Greed Index at a 70. We're at a 53 on the Altcoin Season Index. All right, you got to be at a 75. Down through here, market cap 3.97 trillion, volume $217.5 billion last 24 hours. All right, so the market is looking great, guys. Get excited. Go sign up for that level 3 membership. Come join us in Discord, and let's make some money. Have a great day, everybody.